with a 112, and doesn't seem too upset. But next up we have Chok Moskung from Thailand. Oh, apologies, that's actually Novysh, also from the neutral athletes. Good spin there, just a little held up, leaving the gate. And maybe not as fast as the previous competitor in this up. We'll see how it looks on the first split. Bit slow there, just going through the eddy, not carrying as much speed. She is 4 seconds back off of the time Logacheva set on the top. And coming in a bit low there, but keeping the boat moving. At the top of the course we have Minnesota, who just went direct there and is moving the boat well. Novysh comes into this last section of the course with another touch, unfortunately, and she's going to be behind. Minnesota having a good run here.